Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I'm really excited about this, something I wanted to share with you guys because we've only been doing this channel for just under a year and a half. It's only been 1 year and 5 months that High Seas Cruising has even existed. And I saw something yesterday that I really want to share with you guys because not only is it an accomplishment for the channel, it's an accomplishment for all of our subscribers because we couldn't have gotten here. We couldn't have done this without you guys. So I want to share this with everybody because, like I said, I'm really excited about it. So if you follow any kind of cruise vloggers, cruise channels, you know that the biggest one out there, okay, is a channel called Tips for Travelers, run by a gentleman named Gary Bembridge from over in the UK. Big channel, lots of subscribers, lots of really awesome content. And the first time I noticed this was last year, and he may have been doing it longer. I didn't notice it until last year after we became a content creator, but he puts out a list every year of the top 100 cruise vloggers that are out there on YouTube. Now, when that list came out last year, I looked at the list. Remember, we're itty bitty channel, just getting started. Of course, High Seas Cruising did not make the list, which no surprise. We were new, we were small, we were just getting started, but the list has come out for this year. And guess what? Thanks to everybody who subscribes to our channel, thanks to everybody that watches our videos, because look, this is a team effort. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be successful. But we've made the list. High Seas Cruising has officially made the list of the biggest and fastest growing cruise vlogger channels here on YouTube. We did it. We made it. I'm very excited. Now, out of the list of 100, we are number 76. Because we're still a small channel. Like I said, we've only been doing this for 1 year and 5 months. So to even make the list, even at number 76, I'm still super excited. I kind of feel like we made it. We've been invited to the bigger show. We've been noticed. Very happy. And again, I thank every single person out there who's subscribed to our channel, who's watched our videos, because like I said, this is a team effort. We have done this together. I can't do this by myself. I can't do this without Tiffany. I can't do this without you guys watching the videos, appreciating the cruise news, the cruise vlogs, following along with us when we go cruising. I mean, this is just really great, and it just makes our future look even brighter than it already does. And it gets me really pumped up that now we got to continue the momentum. We got to continue to move forward. We got to continue to grow. And I had said in previous videos, our goal this year is 10,000 subscribers. I really want to try to get there, try to continue to put out awesome content, better cruise videos, better cruise vlogs, more stuff that people will really want to watch so we can reach that goal of 10,000 people. So yeah, the subscribe button's right here. If you're not a member of our channel, do me a favor and hit that button. Helps our channel grow. Free to do so, and just let you know when any of our new videos come out. And we have new videos that are going to be coming out here. We have a cruise coming up here in May the 1st on Liberty of the Seas. We have another Royal Caribbean on Grandeur of the Seas in September. At the beginning of October, I'm going to be on the Carnival Ecstasy for the Carnival Ecstasy's last cruise ever before she is sent to the scrapyard. And then after that, we are on the Carnival Breeze for Halloween. So we're going to have plenty of cruise videos coming up. Plus, of course, we will be continuing to share the cruise news, important stories, things you guys need to know. We have our new programming, What Cruisers Want. And we also have our other one, Tips from Tiffany, where Tiffany is taking over her very own segment. So we got lots for everybody to see, lots for everybody to watch. And we look forward to continuing to putting out content for everybody out there. So again, thank you. We couldn't have done it without you guys. We really appreciate it. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.